Over 60% of fuel injector cleaners aren't just scams, they're silent engine killers. I've tested these bottles myself inside fuel rails, injectors, and fuel tanks. One of them brought a clogged injector back to life in under an hour, and even cut fuel bills by 12%. But the wrong one? It fried sensors and destroyed a $2,500 catalytic converter. Today, I'm exposing the 9 injector cleaners that ruin cars and revealing the 5 that actually work. Let's get started. Number 9. Marvel Mystery Oil as a cleaner. Pouring Marvel Mystery Oil into your gas tank to clean injectors is like hiring a janitor who refuses to touch dirt. Yes, harsh, but it's true. MMO is nearly a century old. The name is iconic, but the formula is not a carbon cleaner. It's a lubricant, not a detergent. It keeps pumps and upper cylinders slick, but that's prevention, not cleaning. Once carbon is baked into injectors, MMO can't touch it. Your MPG keeps dropping, idle stays rough, and your money disappears. It's fine for light lubrication during oil changes, but if you're trying to restore performance, you're wasting time. You need PEA, polyetheramine, the only chemical that dissolves hardened carbon. MMO can't do that. Have you ever used Marvel Mystery Oil in your engine or fuel? Did it help or make no difference? Comment below, I'm curious. Number 8. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam smells like confidence in a can. Mechanics swear by it. Drivers swear by it. It's been around since the 1940s. Sounds bulletproof, right? Here's the catch. Seafoam has 0 PEA. It relies on naphtha and isopropyl alcohol, which is good for mild buildup but useless against real carbon deposits. Instead of dissolving carbon, it loosens it, and that loose debris floats around until it clogs something else. Sure, great for 2-stroke engines, but in modern 4-stroke cars? Underwhelming, and potentially messy. Save seafoam for lawn equipment, not your daily driver. Stop for a second. If you're learning something new already, hit that like button, drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe. I post the kind of car-saving tips mechanics quietly avoid telling you. Now, let's continue. Number 7. Abro Injector Cleaner. Abro looks tough until you read the label. The main ingredient? Number 2 gas oil, which is basically diesel fuel. Diesel does not clean gasoline injectors. Instead, it knocks debris loose and sends carbon flakes drifting through your fuel system like landmines. Expect clogged filters, hesitation, rough idle, worse MPG. It's like sweeping dirt under the rug. You don't see it now, but you will trip on it later. Skip Abro if you want real cleaning. Number 6. $3 bargain cleaners. If it costs $3, it's not a cleaner. It's a problem in a bottle. Cheap cleaners are just kerosene, alcohol, or both. They cannot dissolve hard carbon. Worse, when they try to clean, they break carbon off in chunks. Those chunks clog injectors, foul plugs, and sometimes even end up in your catalytic converter. Congratulations, your $3 gamble just turned into a $2,500 repair bill. Avoid these. Be honest, have you ever bought one of those cheap $3 injector cleaners? Did you feel any difference? Number 5. Ethanol heavy cleaners. Ethanol is a strong solvent, so putting more of it in your tank sounds smart, but it's not. Ethanol absorbs water, corrosion, makes engines run lean, high heat, knock, piston damage. I've seen engines with literal holes in pistons from lean burn. This is no joke. If your fuel already contains ethanol, don't add more. Number 4. Alcohol-heavy cleaners. High IPA cleaners promise to dry your tank, but alcohol dries out rubber seals, O-rings, plastic components. It knocks carbon loose, but doesn't dissolve it. Clogs injectors, fouls plugs, and leans the mixture, leading to knock. Use IPA only for emergency water removal, not cleaning. Number 3. Kerosene-based cleaners. Many cheap bottles smell like kerosene because they are kerosene. Kerosene does nothing to hard carbon, and it lowers your fuel's octane. Low octane equals knock. Knock equals internal engine damage. I've seen repairs exceed $10,000 because of this. Never put kerosene-based cleaners into modern fuel systems. Number 2. Harsh solvent cocktails. Xylene, acetone, strong alcohols. These chemicals don't clean. They blast carbon off in chunks. Those chunks clog everything: injectors, spark plugs, O2 sensors, catalytic converters. Once your catalytic converter gets blocked, it's game over. You're replacing it, not fixing it. Number 1. Miracle multi-purpose additives. Anything claiming to clean fuel, oil, injectors, exhaust, and improve performance with one bottle? Run. These are just cheap solvents in fancy packaging. No PEA equals no cleaning. No cleaning equals new problems. Some even cause leaks, rough idle, and check engine lights. Avoid anything that claims to fix everything. Which of these bad cleaners surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. Now, the 5 cleaners that actually work. Number 5, Lucas Deep Clean. Reliable, safe, affordable. Contains PEA plus lubricants. Perfect for maintenance. Not the strongest, but trustworthy. Number 4, Gum Out Regain High Mileage. For engines with 75,000 plus miles. Strong PEA formula. Dissolves baked carbon. Improves throttle response and idle. Number 3, Royal Purple Max Clean, premium performance cleaner. PEA-based, works as fuel stabilizer, protects up to 10,000 miles. Great for people who want both cleaning and performance. Number 2, Redline SI1, the strongest over-the-counter PEA cleaner available. Up to 30 to 50% PEA, melts carbon deposits fast. Follow the instructions exactly. This stuff is potent. Number 1, Chevron Tektron Concentrate Plus, the industry standard. Trusted by mechanics, automakers, fleets, patented PEA formula. Safe for injectors, sensors, catalytic converters, everything. One bottle every 3,000 miles is basically a mini tune-up. Now you know the 9 injector cleaners that can destroy your engine and the 5 that actually work. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe, and watch the next video. Click the video on screen. Your engine and your wallet will thank you.